This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 7, oven, auxiliary battery, awning, slide-out, smoke detector, LP detector, spare tire kit, microwave, water heater, skylight, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, front living area, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is 12,950 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.